The Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee unanimously decided to keep the repo rate unchanged at 6.5% for the 10th consecutive meeting in a bid to keep inflation in check. Here are 6 key takeaways from the latest MPC meeting for you. RBI Governor Shaktikanta announced that inflation is projected to be around 4.5% for the financial year 2025. That's a drop from last year's 5.4%, which is definitely a sign of optimism. Thus, metaphorically also said that the inflation horse has been brought to the stable within the tolerance band. What this means is that we need to be careful and not let it get out of control, especially considering the current geopolitical volatility. The RBI also shifted its policy stance to neutral. What does that mean? Well, it's all about balancing inflation control with economic growth. And let's face it, there are plenty of global risks that could impact food inflation. So they're maintaining a rather cautious stance. Now, onto the growth front, India's real GDP grew by 6.7% in the first quarter, thanks to a revival in the private consumption. Plus, indicators show strong performance in manufacturing and services, so things are looking fairly bright on that end as well. And here's something that will make borrowers happy and also protect the interest of consumers. The RBI announced that the banks and the non-banking finance companies, that's your NBFCs, can't charge foreclosure or prepayment penalties on floating rate loans issued to individual borrowers for non-business purposes. Thus, is proposed to include loans to micro and small enterprises under this as well. And a draft circular on it is expected shortly. This will definitely help entrepreneurs in the country to avoid falling into the debt trap. Now, on to some good news for the digital payment users. The RBI has increased the UPI transaction limits. The limit for UPI 123 Pay is now Rs 10,000, up from Rs 5,000. The UPI Lite wallet limit has been increased to Rs 5,000 from Rs 2,000, and per transaction limit has been increased to Rs 1,000 from Rs 500. This aims to enhance the user experience and encourage more people to use UPI. Now, Shaktikanta also introduced a new initiative, that is the climate risk system. This is a crucial step towards managing financial risks tied to climate change and ensuring sustainable finance for the long run. To sum it up, the RBI is taking a balanced approach to manage inflation while supporting economic growth. With a cautious outlook on global risks and a focus on sustainability, the coming year could see positive change for both consumers and the economy. What do you think about these announcements? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.